Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. First, school. I go to school every day. I go to school every day. Second, teacher. We should respect our teacher. Third, father. I love my father very much. Fourth, friend. Seema is my friend. Fifth, country. India is our country. Sixth, book. This is my English book. Seventh, pencil. I write with a pencil. I write with a pencil. Eighth, horse. Horse runs very fast. Ninth, house. My house is very big. 10. Tree. Tree gives us oxygen and fruits. Tree gives us oxygen and fruits. Dear friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.